Thanks so much for joining us on this Friday night. We start with an update on the ongoing flu emergency here in the U.S.
That's right. Federal health officials say that another 10 children have died, bringing the total number of deaths to 63, and hospitalizations are soaring to their highest levels in a decade. Dr. John Torres from NBC News has the latest.
This is Bromley.
Hey Bromley, how are you doing? How are you feeling?
2-year-old Bromley Naughton sent home from daycare with a fever. His parents now fearing the worst.
You hear these tragic stories where children are not feeling too well and then they take something, go to bed, and it doesn't have a good ending. So we want to make sure we can do everything we can as parents.
One of those tragedies, 14-year-old Gabriella Chabot, who died this week in Southern California. 63 children have died this season, compared to 20 last year at this time.
The last severe season that we had, 56,000 Americans died from influenza. We may be on track to reach or even exceed that level.
Doctor visits are already as high as the peak of the 2009 pandemic.
Hold it here, sweetie.
New Jersey pediatrician Dr. Shilpa Patel out of flu shots and running low on rapid tests, now urging parents.
The biggest thing is if your child is sick, please keep them home. Don't send them to school.
Her other tips? Sneeze down your shirt to contain the germs, and parents should kiss their children on the head rather than the face, where the virus is easily spread. Tonight in Denver, 10-year-old Kiana Richardson, who was on life support for nearly a week, is now turning a corner.
If we're learning anything this year, it's that this flu is nothing like we've ever seen.
The CDC says at this rate, 34 million people could get the flu this season. Dr. John Torres, NBC News, Rockley, New Jersey.
Now, here in Nueces County, the number of flu cases appears to be easing up. That is good news. Still, there were 566 confirmed cases as of last week. That's not a small number, but keep in mind that that compares to 794 cases from the week before.